Hello guys, this is Jerry from Joey and Jerry Live, and today we're back with an experiment. This might not look like an experiment because this is not a chemistry experiment. It's related to our science project at school and about forces in motion. I'll save the trouble of you guys watching me build this long, so you'll see this once I'm done. Just to tell you, if you see what I'm wearing, it's because I'm a scientist, and for these special occasions, being a scientist means you have to be like one. So this is how the experiment will look like, and the orange are tracks for Hot Wheel cars, and that dinosaur-looking skull thing over here is a launcher. Experiment with 4 different types of cars. Unfortunately, we can't do something really big, otherwise, not like this. Otherwise, how would something so big fit into a small track? Instead, we're going to be using Hot Wheel cars. There's 4 different categories. The cars with plastic body, this part is plastic, and the base is metal. So this is called the plastic body and metal base car. Sorry if you hear the noise behind. That's a Coca-Cola truck. This car is a metal body, and the bottom is plastic. So this is a metal body and plastic base car. This car is a fully metal car, which means it has a metal body and a metal base. And finally, the only thing that I haven't said, which you probably have to guess now, is, yep, you got it right. Plastic, fully plastic. It has a plastic body and plastic base. So now that we've done our introductions, now let's get to the exciting experiment part. So now we're going to be testing this car first. The plastic base, body and metal base. You open up this hatch, and there's a launcher here. You push it back, and there's rubber bands, so it'll propel the car. Then this button launches it, and yeah, basically that's how the cars move. The objective is to see which cars are fastest, depending on the materials. Like I said, the plastic bodies, metal base, which is the fastest. If the materials make a difference, then I'll know. First, let's just have a test so that we'll show you how the cars actually launch. Okay, test subject number 1. Okay, I guess you guys saw that. If it was too fast, well, now you can watch them in slow motion. Okay, test subject number 1. Now that we've seen how the cars actually move, we can get onto the real experiment ourselves. Okay, now let's start with our plastic body and metal base, aka our test car. We'll be conducting multiple trials on each car, so about 5 times, before we sum up the results and get the average. And if there's outliers, we'll just redo it again. Since it's going to be too hard for us right now to show the time, we'll show the results later on. Number 1. Okay. Number 2. Number 3. Oops. Trial 4. That one looked like an outlier. Let's redo that. Okay, number 4. Another outlier. Let's hope this one will be right. Oh, not again. Okay, hopefully this will be the last mistake, if it would be. Okay, that was successful. Next, number 5. Our last trial for this car. Okay, that was a successful one. Now that we've conducted our multiple trials, we're going to sum up the average, and yeah. Okay, now we'll show you the results later, while we continue to our next car. What do you guys want to do first? So I've got my trusty notebook and my trusty pens, and I've already written out what the times were. And yeah, we've timed it already. Pretty good, pretty slow. Still, we're not sure what's going to be next, so the future awaits. Now let's go back to our test. The majority of the people have voted fully metal. So now we have this short car, but cool car, I guess, to be tested. Usually we have to start the basics. And let's start. Trial 1. Okay, successful. Trial 2. Oops. Successful yet again. Trial 3. Trial 4. Hopefully there won't be any outliers and mistakes and crashes. Finally, last but not least, trial 5. Ooh. Okay, now we're done with the fully metal cars. We'll jot down our results and let's get on to the next car. Okay, now our next car we'll do is the metal body, plastic base. If you're interested, it's a Camaro. Just wanted to let you know. Oops. Trial 1. Make sure to stick around at the end. We'll show you how, the cars, all of them, side by side. Trial 2. Okay. Número 3. Number 3. Number 4. And finally, number 5. Okay, now we're done with that. Let's move on to the fully plastic car. Ready when you guys are. You want to start? Okay, I counted 7 yeses. Lucky number. Fully plastic car. Ready to deploy. In 3, 2, 1. Houston, we have a problem. As you might have seen, the car skidded along the sidelines, I guess. And therefore, that was an outlier, so we'll have to redo this. Yet another outlier. reach the position it is in. Maybe, yeah, a bit straight. Okay. I guess we'll have to deal with it. That was one successful one. So I guess we're done with pile 1. Pile 2. Trial 3. Oops. Trial 4. And last launch of the day, trial 5. Okay. Now all I have to do is get the averages of the cars, and then we'll be comparing all of them. So I guess that's all for this experiment. Later we'll show you the averages and the results. So I guess that's about it. See you guys next time. Bye.